In this video, I'm going to take you through a Crypto.com overview. Crypto.com have almost every single product available from within the cryptocurrency space, including their own app, an exchange, a Visa card, NFT marketplace, plus ways that you can earn and apply for credit, and they even have their own DeFi range and cryptocurrency token. Well, with so many different products underneath their wing, I thought I'd take you through a complete overview today. If you want to find out more information about the different products, I've got full reviews and tutorials available on my website, everybithelps.co.uk. I'll also put some promotional links in the summary below that you can use when signing up to Crypto.com that will get you up to $25. The Hong Kong-based Crypto.com were previously known as Monaco, and the platform was launched in June of 2016 and renamed to Crypto.com in July of 2018. And they now have more than 10 million users worldwide. Their own Crypto.com utility token, which has the ticker CRO, is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token, and it provides users with discounted fees on their exchange, higher earnings when staking, and holders can also gain access to the benefits of the Crypto.com card, which we're going to take a look at. So what does Crypto.com offer in terms of products? Well, probably the most famous is the Crypto.com app, which allows you to buy and sell over 100 cryptocurrencies with 20 fiat currencies by bank transfer or debit or credit card. And the app encompasses a lot of the Crypto.com features which we're going to discuss today. And you can use the app to access, manage and spend your funds anytime with the Crypto.com Visa card, which is something that I personally use pretty much every day. I travel a lot, and with the Crypto.com Visa card, I'm not hit with any foreign card charges or any fees. The different cards and the offers available will all depend on the amount of CRO that you stake. But I have a Ruby Metal card, and that not only gets me crypto cashback on my payments, but I can also get Spotify for free, which again is great for travel. And there are some other cards with better cashback rates and free subscriptions, but they do mean staking more CRO. Next, there's Crypto Earn, where you can earn up to 14.5% per annum rewards on your coins, with up to 8.5% on your Bitcoin and Ethereum and up to 14% on USDC. Now, similar to their Crypto.com card, the rates that you'll get when staking will all depend on the amount of their CRO token that you stake, plus the period that you choose to deposit from. And you can view all the different available rates on their webpage here. To get their best rates, you'll need to stake up to 40,000 CRO and deposit for the longest term available. And with the coin at around 16 cents at the time of this recording, that means staking over $6,000. Now, another way to earn rewards with Crypto.com is via their popular Supercharger Events, which is part of their exchange, which we'll discuss in a moment. Supercharger is a simple, flexible and secure liquidity mining platform for the most popular cryptocurrency projects. Crypto.com exchange and app users can deposit CRO and earn rewards in return. Their first project was with Uniswap UNI, and they've since launched events with popular tokens such as Polkadot and Bitcoin. Then we have their exchange, which enables users to trade crypto to crypto with low fees and deep liquidity. The exchange again is powered by CRO, meaning that holders of the token can get discounts by using them to pay for the trading fees. Now, although the platform is crypto to crypto, you can also add bank account transfers in USD and receive your funds in USDC. Alternatively, the Crypto.com app and the exchange are connected too, so you can buy your crypto over on the app with the likes of a credit or a debit card, and then easily transfer that across to the exchange. And the exchange has also recently had a bit of a revamp too, with a vertical navigation bar here, giving you access to all the features available within the exchange, such as opening up all your wallets with a single click. You can track the status of your USDC bank transfers, view your orders in a single place, and get access to the likes of the syndicate, supercharging and the trading arena. If you prefer the old layout, you can also just switch back in the settings. Next, we have their DeFi range, which includes a wallet, not to be confused with the Crypto.com app. The Crypto.com wallet allows you to securely manage over 100 tokens with full control over your crypto. Your private keys are encrypted locally on your device. And you can send transactions at your own speed and your fees. And if you have an existing wallet on another application like Ledger or MetaMask, you can easily import it using a 12, 18 or 24 word recovery phrase. Also, as part of their DeFi range, they have DeFi Earn, which is also integrated within the wallet so that you can earn interest with the likes of Yearn Earn version 2, Compound, Aave and more. And this is all with zero lockup terms. Then there's also their DeFi swap for farming and swapping DeFi tokens. Now, if NFTs are your thing, then lastly is one of Crypto.com's latest features, which is NFTs. Crypto.com launched its NFT platform on March 2021 and included unique content to collect and trade from popular artists and musicians, including the likes of Aston Martin, Boss Logic, Boy George, Snoop Dogg and Lionel Richie. In the marketplace, you can browse throughout all the available NFTs and then either make an offer at auction or you can buy the NFT immediately. Within each NFT, you can also view the editions, where you can see where they're accepting offers and the available prices. And that completes my Crypto.com overview. And there are even more products that Crypto.com has to offer too, which are also worth checking out on their site, Crypto.com. And as I said, I do have full tutorials and reviews available on my website, everybithelps.co.uk. And if you're new to Crypto.com, there's also sign-up links in the summary below that'll get you up to $25. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.